Welcome to our video. Today, we'll talk about some ways to get traffic for affiliate marketing. Generating traffic for affiliate marketing can be a real challenge. But don't worry, we have a solution. Let's go over a few strategies for generating free traffic. Driving traffic can be done without an email list, without showing your face or any website at all. This strategy is not just effective, but also easy to implement. Let's dive deeper into the process. The first thing that you need is an offer. You can use these strategies with multiple affiliate offers. You can find offers in places like ClickBank, Share a Sale, DG Store 24, or even a private high ticket such as Legendary Marketer or the 72-hour challenge. Next, you need to identify your target audience. Knowing who you're marketing to is the first step in generating traffic. Then, create engaging content that appeals to your audience. This will attract more visitors to your site. Also, optimize your content for search engines. This will help your site rank higher and attract more traffic. Another method is to drive traffic to your Facebook group. Using Facebook's group questions, you can gather your lead generation. Make the banner to your Facebook group clear about what your group will offer them. It's important to tell people what you do and how you can help them. In the intro part of the group, be sure to optimize it by adding your links in. Finally, promote your content on social media and other platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience. Now that you know the strategy, it's time to take action. Implement this strategy and watch your traffic grow. Be sure to keep your group engaged and excited about the content you share. Check the links in the description, and follow for more tips and tricks in digital marketing.